Extravagant love. A child has been born to us. God has given a son to us. He will be responsible for leading the people. His name will be Wonderful, Counselor, Powerful God, Father who lives forever, Prince of Peace. Isaiah 9, verse 6. Prince of Peace, you are the longing of every beating heart. Your love that knows no limits is the dream of all heart-sick souls looking for meaning. Every conflict will find its end. Wars will cease, but your love will never run out. Your kindness, like a flowing river, will never run dry. Though oceans rise and nations fall, you remain steadfast and secure. You don't experience power shortages. You operate in abundance. I bind myself to you and trust that your unfailing love will carry me through every season and circumstance. You are better than anything I could ever find, buy, or achieve on this earth, and I won't be satisfied until I'm resting in you. Today I pause to reflect on your great compassion that reaches out beyond the heavens into my little corner of the world. Spirit of God, I make room for you to come and move in power. Come and mend the broken parts of my life with your healing power. What area can you invite the Prince of Peace today?